How to make the maintenance. Kind tips. In order to ensure the smooth flow of the product's water pipes and prevent water leakage caused by blockage caused by scale or dust accumulation, customers are advised to perform maintenance services on the product every 3 to 4 weeks. Maintenance method. First, drain the water from the chassis. Open the rubber plug of the drain pipe on the back of the machine to ensure that all the remaining water is drained. Add citric acid to the water tank at a ratio of 5%. That is, if the water tank is full of water, add 75 grams of citric acid. Put the water tank back into the machine. Connect the power supply to start the mobile air conditioner. The machine will start to pump water to the chassis. Allow the machine to operate normally until the entire tank of water is consumed and the water shortage indicator lights up. Turn off the power switch and unplug the power cord. Once again, drain the accumulated water in the bottom tray and securely close the drain plug. Refill the water tank with clean water. Reconnect the power supply and start the machine. After normally consuming 1 tank of water, drain the bottom tray water again. Repeat this process 2 to 3 times with clean water to remove any remaining descaling agent and scale residue.